we were at the last event you had here in Arizona. We have it's time for the dinner on whatever that was, probably like night 1, night 2.
Yeah.
And we're talking real quick, and you're like, yeah, just saying goodbye. I'm like, what? And it's like 8 o'clock.
Oh yeah, I get that early.
And everyone is like just now starting, and like drinks are starting to flow and do this, and like I'm not really into the night culture and stuff anymore either. But like 8 o'clock, I was like, okay, like everyone's just like getting food, and you were done, and you were leaving, and you gave me the brief on that. And I found that so interesting, and clearly I didn't embody it enough, but like my mornings are, if I have my like dream setup is for like when I wake up for the first time, which is like 3, 4, 5,
right,
I'm like jazzed about something. I get up and like I have all those hours where it's just me, and then stuff starts at like 8, 9 where people start to like message, and that is when I've built anything. That is when I've like felt the best of my life. And you do something similar, but you like have like a reading regimen.
So what I
do stuff
I go to bed at 8 every night. That's just when we like to go to bed, and it's when I get tired. Sometimes, I mean, if I stay up longer, I think that day you're talking about, I mean, I had to wake up the next day. So if it was the last day of the event, I'll kind of like, I know, but if it's the last day of the event, I'll stay up a little later, but other than that, I'm going to bed at 8, 8:30 is like pushing it. And then I wake up at 4:30. And then so what I do is my first call is not going to be till 8 tops, sometimes 8:30, sometimes 9. And so I'll get my workout in, but like I wake up just through...
You work out in the morning?
Yeah. And then I just, I read for almost like usually 90 minutes every single morning.
That's great.
But it's a nice thing because when you wake up, you're kind of too tired sometimes to do anything. So it's a nice way to just kind of like wake up slowly.
Yeah, you need those.
And also if I don't do it in the morning, I won't do it. And so, but what I do is, so like, yes, from 4:30 till whenever I have to go work out, I'll just read. Now, the thing is, though, is what I do is if I'm behind on stuff, I can just axe that entire morning and just work.
Yeah.
So there's one day this week, because I was a little bit behind, where legitimately I might have read for like a half hour, but then from 5 or 5:15 to, I don't know, whenever it was like 8, I just worked the entire time. And I can even push my workout into the afternoon. It just depends on my day.
Yeah.
So like if I'm like, I really got to get some shit done, I'll just maybe skip my workout that day, or I'll push it to the afternoon, and I'll just take 3 hours in the morning, which is almost like 5.5 hours of normal in the daytime because nobody's up. If you enjoyed this clip, you can check out the full podcast by clicking on the screen right here to check out the full episode.